Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today, why are you gonna hold it there, man? Why are you gonna hold it there? Keep it right, okay. Today we're gonna be recording for you, not recording, uploading, editing, I don't know, man. We're gonna be reviewing the Frangos Supreme chicken wrap.
Yeah, something like that one.
Yeah. Okay, please get it, please. Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna unwrap it there.
Do you need more light? Let me just. There you go, man. Is that helping you, bro? Or are you getting blind? Oh, never mind. Okay, that's too much light.
That literally dried out my eyeballs.
His eyeballs are dry now.
Balls are dry as well. Yes,
Brother, please don't talk about this with Allah.
Oh, it's quite.
Oh my!
It's quite.
It's a belter.
Soft. Why are you making it sexual, bruv? Why?
What sexual? It's chicken, man. What's wrong with you?
It's because I said the wrap's soft. Oh, look at the skin. Look at the skin on it, bro.
What skin? Well, this guy, man, shows what's inside. Don't
Why
show
is it
that.
yellow? Oh no.
It's oil.
It's really nice and soft.
Very soft. Okay. Oh, it's like dough still, isn't it?
Mm.
Brother, you didn't see inside.
Oh,
Okay. But chicken, cheese. Oh, they actually gave cheese in that one.
and there's
Lettuce.
hash brown in there as well.
Hash brown as well, guys, and the sauce. Probably mayonnaise. It's taking a bite. What a beautiful bite. Oi. Kasme, bro. Let's see. Beautiful. How much was this one as well? £3, £4.
£3.49.
£3.49, guys, on its own. £4.49 as a meal. So you might as well get a meal.
That's really quite good, especially with the hash brown.
Yeah.
Which I haven't bitten into yet.
Make sure you sanitize your hands.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
COVID friendly.
COVID.
By the time this comes out, COVID's going to be gone.
No, it won't.
Yo, he just violated you, bro. He's saying your upload schedule is shit.
How much faster can I do? I'm doing one upload a day. I'm on 180 videos right now. I've been uploading since November, daily.
Ooh.
Ooh! Oh wait, I think, bro, it sounds like my car, bro. Let me listen. Do again. Yeah. Exact same sound, bro.
That's really good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Chicken with the hash brown. Hash brown's nice and
Crispy.
there's lettuce in there. There's a mayo.
The
There's
mayo.
also the cheese slice, and it just works so well together, especially with the.
Nearly copyright.
So close.
Why you? Aman here. Why you do this to me, man? Dil nahi lagta.
You're gonna have to censor that, bro. That's copyright as well. But anyways, back to the review.
Back to.
Anyways, so let me get back into that vibe.
Bismillah.
So obviously with the wrap as well, it's just so perfect. Like as you can see, it's nice and soft. It does look a bit doughy, however, but it really does, like, melt into your mouth.
Melts into your mouth.
Obviously, you can see here. Let me just grab a piece off.
Look at that.
The tortilla, the wrap is really exquisite.
Exquisite. Soft. Compliments the cheese.
We're gonna have to go in for another bite here.
The food complements his belly. That's what you like. That's the kind of food you need. How would you rate it out of 10, Labu? Why is smoking? What the hell is this guy going? He's going crazy. Brother.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, guys.
I'm getting this next time.
Okay, make sure.
100%. Wow.
Let me put that. Oh, you have to hold it. Oh, shit. Look at my high beams, guys. Oh. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Frangos, thank you for having us. And check out Buxington Car Spa, sponsor for this video. Hand car wash and valeting. Make sure you check it out, guys. Also hand sanitize, okay? Okay, goodbye guys.